Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create VLAN and how to assign ports to the VLAN on Cisco switch. For this purpose, I took 4 computers and 1 Cisco switch. 2 computers are in admin network and 2 computers will be in the guest network. So I will brief you now how we will assign the subnet for the admin and how we will assign the subnet for guest and how we will create the VLANs. So first thing, let us connect these computers with switch. So before proceeding, I'm just going to show you the basic configuration which I already did. If we type show run here in the switch, as you can see here, I have created a admin pool which is 192.168.1.0 for this network. So these 2 computers will get the IP address from this pool, while these 2 computers will get the IP address from this pool. So the process is very simple. I showed you in the last video. You can go and check out how to create the DHCP pool. Also, I have assigned the interface VLAN IP addresses, as you can see here, to make the interface up. So now the next part is how to create the VLANs. Creating VLAN is a very simple process. So first thing first, we will enter into the configuration mode. I will write VLAN 100. Okay, and name admin. Sorry, it's admin. Again, we will create VLAN 200 and then we will name it guest. If we type show VLAN, here we can see 100 for admin and 200 for guest. So for these 2 computers, the VLAN will be admin, which is 100, and for the guest, the VLAN will be 200, which is a guest VLAN. So at the moment, these 2 VLANs are empty. There are no ports. All ports are member of VLAN 1, which is a default VLAN. So now I showed you how to create the VLAN. Now the next part is how to assign the ports to these VLANs. So let's start the port assignment process. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/1-2. We can type one by one. We can also define a range. So I'm going to assign VLAN 100 to these 2 computers on port 1 and 2. Then I will type interface range fast Ethernet 0/1/-2. Hit enter. Then we will write the description of these ports, admin PC. Then we will type switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 100. Second, for the guest network, what we will do, we will type the command interface range fast Ethernet 0/3 to 4 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 200. Here you go. Now we will check the ports show VLAN, and here you can see the 1 and 2 in 100 and 3 and 4 is in 200. Now let's go one by one on each PC and change the IP configuration to DHCP. Here you can see the IP address is 1.1, which is admin DHCP pool. Now I will open the second PC again. We will assign the DHCP, and here you go. Next we will do for guest VLAN. Here should be 192.168.5.1, and at the last, if we assign DHCP, it should be 5.2. So this way you can create the VLANs and assign the ports to a particular VLAN. So that's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next video.